Hello everyone! Today we will have a look at how to draw the queen versus pawn endgame with a rook or a bishop pawn. This is the Endgame series, a series in which I explain all the endgames in increasing difficulty. Also, according to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Enjoy the video. First of all, it doesn't matter if the pawn stands on the A, on the C, on the F, or on the H file. You will always be able to draw this with black. Let's start with the bishop pawn. White plays the move queen to G3. In this position, we don't go to F1, since the white king can come closer to the pawn. We go to H1. Oh no, my pawn! But actually, this position is stalemate. The queen controls all of these squares. We have no moves left. If white doesn't want to take the pawn, we are very happy to take the draw with a repetition. In this position, after queen to G3, we go to the corner as well. White can't play the move king to B7 because this would be stalemate. The king stands before the pawn and the king has no moves left. If white doesn't play a king move, we are very happy to take the draw by repetition. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.